Good evening. I'm Pradhani Nidhukongjam giving you the evening news. First, the headlines. Dr. M. Nara says government need to prepare a policy to prevent misunderstanding between doctors and patients. Man killed by 28 Assam Rifles at Waithau Jiru on Thursday identified family claims he was innocent. Locals say sit in protest against this killing today. SEBI bars 14 life insurance companies from selling unit-linked insurance plans. Now the news in detail. The 255th birth anniversary of the founder of homeopathy, Dr. Christian Frederick Samuel Hahnemann, was observed today at a function held at the State Guest House. Speaking at a function, former Minister Dr. M. Nara, who is the President of Homeopathic Medical Association of India, Manipur branch, said the government need to prepare a policy to prevent misunderstandings between doctors and patients' party, which often lead to violent fights. He also emphasized the need to promote natural therapy to treat different ailments. RIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. Y. Mohan and Head of the Pediatric JNM Professor K. S. Charjit also spoke on the occasion. Dr. Charjit said patients need different kinds of treatments and it is necessary to promote these different practices. Dr. Mohan also stressed the importance of homeopathy and said the Natural Rural Health Mission is giving more emphasis on the development of homeopathy across the country. He also appealed to all doctors to perform their duties with dedication and without fear. As part of the 5-day observation of the World Health Day by Indian Medical Association, Manipur State Branch, an awareness program on the theme Urban Health Matters was held today at Sainik School, Pangai. Sponsored by Environment and Ecology Wing, Government of Manipur, the program was attended by Principal of the school, Group Captain Surinder Singh, IMA Manipur State Branch President Dr. K.H. Palin, and staff and students of the school. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Palin talked on the impact of urbanization on the people living in urban areas. The increasing suicide rate, frequent occurrence of earthquakes and floods are due to ecological imbalance created by urbanization. Group Captain Surinder Singh was hopeful that such awareness program will help the young students in understanding the importance of maintaining the ecological balance.
Who are young boys in the age group of 12 to 17 years, and the responsibility to save this mother earth, the responsibility to save the flora and fauna, the responsibility to save the future generations from the bad effects of pollution really lies in the hands of these young boys. And I'm very happy that Indian Medical Association led by Dr. Palin has taken the cudgels. In fact, it is a challenge in front of the whole society.
Alleged militant killed by troop of 28 Assam Rifles at Waithau Jiru Water Supply Road on Thursday midnight has been identified as one Iringbam Gunindro aged about 28 of Khamnam Lera. Locals and family said he was picked up by unknown persons who came in a white Maruti Gypsy on the evening of 8 April and denied police and Assam Rifles allegations that he was killed in encounter. Police and Assam Rifles side of story said Iringbam Gunindro was killed in encounter Waithau Jiru Water Supply Road around on Thursday midnight. One 9mm pistol, a live round and one Kenwood handset were reported to have recovered from his possession. A joint action committee formed against the killing of Iringbam Gunindro held a sit-in protest at Khamnam Bazaar. The joint action committee demanded institutions of judicial inquiry into the incident, punishment of the culprits involved in the killing, payment of compensation to the family not less than the amount of Rs 10 lakh, and insurance of government job to a family member of the deceased. The JAC also said they will not accept the dead body if the demands are not fulfilled. Market Regulators Security Exchange Board of India SEBI has barred 14 private life insurance companies from selling unit-linked insurance plans without its approval, giving a fresh twist to the tug of war between SEBI and insurance watchdog IRDA. Economics Times reports. In an order signed by Prashant Sharma, whole-time director SEBI, said, I hereby direct the entities mentioned in this order not to use any offer, document, advertisement, brochure soliciting money from investor or raise money from investor by way of new and or additional subscription for any products including ULIPs having an investment component in nature mutual funds till they obtain the requisite certificate of registration from SEBI. The 14 companies mentioned in this order including Aegon, Religare, Aviva, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, Bharti AXA, Birla Sun Life, HDFC Standard Life, ICICI Prudential, ING Vyasa Life, Kotak Mahindra, Old Mutual Life, Max New York Life, MetLife India, Reliance Life, SBI Life, and Tata AIG Life. A few months back, SEBI had questioned individual life insurance companies why they were selling investment products without its approval. Companies had responded individually that their insurance law permits them to offer an investment component within a life insurance policy. They also said they were regulated by SEBI, who had cleared all these products. The life insurance companies were supported by the market regulator, who reiterated the stand taken by life companies. On the insurance regulator IRDA on Saturday said that ULIP policies under which a portion of funds is invested in the stock markets are safe and secure. Policyholders of the unit-linked insurance products ULIPs offered by different insurance companies are assured that these policies are safe and secure, said IRDA Chairman J. Harinarayan in a release that followed market regulators SEBI banning such schemes of select companies last night. He further said that IRDA will take up the matter expeditiously in the appropriate forum in accordance with the law. A high-level committee of the Northeastern Council has shortlisted 4 professors for the post of the Director of the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. The present Director, Dr. Fimate, will end his tenure on June this year. A reliable source revealed the shortlisted candidates for the post are Dr. T.H. Tomcha, Professor and Head of Department of Radiotherapy, Dr. S. Sekhorjit, Professor and Head of Urology Department, Dr. T.H. Bimo, Professor of Medicine, and Dr. M. Amuba, Professor of Biochemistry. The 4 doctors are being shortlisted for their academic excellence and satisfactory academic excellence. One of the popular Manipuri novels, Madam, written by former MLA Mainam Vorod and renowned playwright Manawi M.M. Taramdai Koro, will now be produced as Manipuri digital film. Both the films will be directed by Tej Kishore Khetrimayum. A launching function for the making of the films was today held at the residence of Tej Kishore at Lokram Lerak. Both the writers of the novel, producer of the film Khetrimayum Kheroda, and president of Film Forum Manipur W. Lalit Kumar were present at the function. Delhi police on Thursday claimed to have busted an international drug trafficking racket and arrested a woman with 400 grams of heroin worth ₹4 million in the international market. Kasung Angamfi, hailing from Manipur, was arrested from Malviya Nagar in South Delhi by a team of special cell, a police officer said. The woman had booked a consignment of 400 grams of heroin for South Africa. She was arrested when she came to inquire about it at the courier office, the officer said. Police said the gang used to supply heroin to South Africa, America, Great Britain, and France. A one-day training program on vegetable farming and greenhouse management was held at the Supervisor Hall of Horticulture Department, Mantripukhi. Around 100 trainees participated in the training program organized by Smart Society Manipur under the sponsorship of Technology Mission, Cell of Horticulture and Soil Conservation. That's all we have for tonight. To end the news, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Dr. M. Nara says government needs to prepare a policy to prevent misunderstanding between doctors and patients. Man killed by 28 Assam Rifles at Waithau Chiru on Thursday. Identified family claimed he was innocent. Local states sit in protest against the killing today. SEBI bars 14 life insurance company from selling unit-linked insurance plans. Thanks for being with us. Good night.